Hey, Stephen, look. There's Stephen watering the flowers. Stephen watering the flowers. Remember we did that last night? I want to show you a picture of the dog. Yeah, that's a picture of my dog.
Got a big elephant.
Right, look at the dog. His name's Poop.
Yeah, yeah,
His name's Poop.
oh, that's better, that's better.
What? What is that?
Once we get fuel, maybe we put some octane through here. That's like a really good.
There's Poopy. There's Poopy. He's on the boat. He's on the big boat. That's his life jacket.
I'm in the road. Okay. Yeah.
Say bye, Dad.
So if we get a call, make sure you're ready to come.
I'll make sure I'll... Jim, Dad is right there. Here we go. and Mrs. Mayhew.
Hi, Emily.
Have fun at Sonic. Okay.
He had me there. I have no idea.
I never even saw one. Chevrolet 3100 truck. See his bow ties and the woodwork there. I like the bottle opener.
Oh, you know what? You know what's on the carburetor?
Cooler, everything.
They have a little spring on the EV? Yeah. Well, that spring, that's
Got the low riders here. Low riders.